Hey there, and welcome to Ask a Trainer with FH Fur. We recently received the following question asking, when should I think about replacing the electrical panel in my home? And it's a really good question. It's important to take note of three things about your electrical panel: the age, the condition, and the ability to meet your household's electrical needs. It's good practice for homeowners to schedule regular inspections of their electrical system. It's important. Some helpful tips. Any panel that's over 30 years old is a hazard risk and is likely not up to safety code. Next, the condition of the panel itself should be monitored. When an electrician inspects your electrical panel, they're looking for corrosion, outdated wires, and water spots. Third and finally, can it handle the requirements of your home? If you're considering a remodel or an expansion to your home, get the panel checked to see if it can even handle your home's current and future needs. Now, when it comes to older panels, they have a smaller capacity, and we're not designed to anticipate modern electrical usage. With consistent technology and charging, televisions in every room, and other gadgets filling our homes, there's a big demand for electricity. If you find yourself using power strips or extension cords in your home, that's a sign that you're using more electricity than your home was designed for. So to wrap it up, if you live in an older home, have done remodeling or additions to the house, or if your electrical system fails your annual safety inspections, it might be time to consider an upgrade.